Welcome everyone. Today the topic that we are going to discuss is India, size and location. It's the lecture 1, so let's get started. The first topic is location of India. India lies in the northern hemisphere. As we all know that our country lies above the equator, therefore it is considered to be in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extent. The mainland extent includes the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent. The latitude extent is from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north, and the longitudinal extent is from 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minutes north. As you all can see that it passes is through the middle of the country, therefore it divides the country into almost two equal parts. The next is the standard meridian of India, 82 degree 30 minutes east. It passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh and is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The northernmost point of India is near India called Siachen Glacier, and the southernmost point is Indra Point on Nicobar Islands. So here lies the northernmost point, and here is the southernmost point near the Nicobar Islands. India is the 7th largest country of the world. First is Russia, then Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and then 7th is India. India has land boundary of about 15,200 km, and the length of the coastline is 7,516.6 km, which also includes the Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island. India and the world. Under this, we are going to discuss how India contributes to the rest of the world. Indian landmass has a central location between East and West Asia. You can see this clearly in the map. The Indian Ocean. No other countries has a long coastline other than the India in the Indian Ocean. Therefore, it justifies the naming of the ocean. The Deccan Peninsula. This is the Deccan Peninsula, which protrudes into the Indian Ocean. It helps India to establish contact with the rest of the Asia, including the West Asia and the East Asia. It also includes the African and the Europe countries. Its contact via land routes are much more than its maritime contact. This we can clearly understand by seeing the map. The various passes through mountains and other land routes have provided passages to the ancient travelers. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. As we all know, India has a great contribution to the world in the form of ideas, philosophies, and in mathematics. Well, I can give you examples such as the ideas of Upanishads, the Ramayana, stories of Panchatantra, the decimal system, as well as the numerals. They have reached to other parts of the world through these routes. India's neighbor. Under this, we are going to talk about the neighboring countries of India. Neighboring countries of India are those which share their boundaries with the land boundaries of India. India occupies an important strategic position in the South Asia. We have already discussed this. India shares its land boundaries with countries such as Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, and Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. We are going to discuss about the neighboring countries in detail in the next slide. Two island countries in the sea, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives, lies in the Indian Ocean. Next is an important point. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Islands. So through this map, we are going to discuss more clearly about the neighboring countries. In the northwest, we have Pakistan and Afghanistan, And in the north, we have China, Nepal, and Bhutan. In the east, we have Myanmar and the Bangladesh. You can see clearly that these countries share their land boundaries with India. Now, in the Indian Ocean, we have Sri Lanka, which is separated by India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. The Maldives Island, which is right below the Lakshadweep Island. That's all about the neighboring countries. Hope you guys have understood. If you have any query, you can write down below. The next lecture will be about India and its physical features. Thanks for watching.